Hi, I'm HD. Welcome to another episode of HD's Jazz. I am in the beautiful Royal Hope Botanical Gardens here in Kingston. And today I'm going to be asking the question, Ortho who? Anna, I'm not sure if it's me, but it seems as if these days everybody wants to wear braces. Mm-hmm. It's almost like a status symbol, like jewelry or something that you would adorn yourself with.
Right, well, as you know, braces are not jewelry. It's not something that you put on and then take off whenever you feel like. It's a treatment. We need your teeth to move effectively, safely, so that the bone is not damaged, the teeth are not damaged, and you end up with the teeth looking nice and fitting well at the end of the whole process. Yeah?
Yeah, so that would mean that you probably have to have quite a bit of training to be confident to do that.
Absolutely. After 4 years of dental school, there's an additional 2 to 3 years of special training just to learn how to move teeth safely, to make sure everything is nice and stable at the end, is healthy at the end, it fits right, and you look good. So very important, very crucial and vital.
So what are some of the challenges that you have noticed with your patients?
Many of them have challenges with cleaning their teeth because it's a big adjustment. You have all these brackets and wires on your teeth, so therefore I tell them to make it easy and simple. Brush like you're brushing normally, and then go back and brush each bracket and make sure it looks nice and shiny, just like the first day that you got it. If you see a white film on your braces, then you need to go back and brush it some more. With flossing, we provide flossing aids to get the floss underneath the wire so they can get that nice and clean. And I tell them to do it while they're watching TV or the news or something like that, so it just doesn't interfere with their time. Otherwise, they wait until bedtime, you're tired, you're exhausted, you fall asleep, and you say tomorrow, and then of course tomorrow never comes. Yeah, so we don't want them to do that.
Well, our Jamaicans too. Is there anything that they don't put in their mouth? Tough food, sticky foods. They love those things.
Chicken bones, and the oxtail bone,
Yes.
So it's quite good, but it will damage your braces.
Yes.
They will break off, and then your teeth won't move, or they will move in a way that we don't want. And if the wires bend, those will also move the teeth in an undesirable direction, also holding up treatment. So it will take longer for you to finish, and you spend more time in braces, which we don't want. We don't want to spend more time than necessary to get the proper tooth movement done.
Yes. Yeah. So you would summarize by saying, brush well, brush as if you would normally brush, then go back and brush the brackets until they're nice and shiny. Exactly. Floss while you're watching the news. You can't say you don't have time to floss if you're doing that. Use the aids that you would provide, and stay away from the jackass corn and the Bustamante backbone and the chicken bone and the oxtail bone.
And you have to brush after each meal.
Okay.
Yes.
Additional brushing. Boy, this braces thing is quite an investment in time, but at the end, it's worth it.
Absolutely. And after all that home care, it's still necessary to go to the dentist more often. I usually recommend every 4 months while in braces. More often for a few patients, but on average every 4 months during braces. After the braces are removed, they can go back to their normal cleaning schedule.
All right. Yeah. So ortho who? Orthodontist, the specialist who has trained over 6 years beyond university to learn how to carefully move your teeth to a perfect alignment. Listen, don't bother with the chicken bones or the oxtail bones or the jackass corn or any of the tough crackers when you're wearing braces. You can break brackets and you can bend wires, which will lengthen your treatment. Brush well, brush consistently. Floss while you're watching the news. Listen, catch you next time. Facebook, YouTube, and our LFD website. See you next time on HD's Jazz.
having a treatment done. So floss underneath the wire, and then you to floss to make it easier for them. And then also we send them to the dentist